Ladies and gentlemen, it's honor to have the opportunity to address such a distinguished audience. Let me introduce myself. My name is Gede Satriadi Utama and I'm student in the Informatic Engineering Department at the Ganesha University of Education. Today's topic in this modern era is interesting for those of you who often use gadgets in the modern times, such as using laptop, using PC, and one and only, yes, smartphone. This morning, I'm going to be talking to you about artificial intelligence. I've divided my presentation into three main parts. My presentation will take about 5 to 6 minutes. Please interrupt me if there is something which needs clarifying. Otherwise, there will be time for discussion at the end of the presentation. In this part, my presentation, I'd like to talk about is artificial intelligence. How many of you had difficulty finding some item in online shop? Have you ever installed a health application which remind you take a pill, exercise, or eat a healthy food? Almost everyone, right? So, artificial intelligence is a wide-ranging branch of computer science concerned with a building-ranging branch of computer with smart machine capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. So, AI is interdisciplinary science with a multiple approach. But advancement in machine learning and deep learning are creating a paradigm shift in virtually every sector of the tech industry. Okay, let's now move on to artificial intelligence history. Now let's take a look here. As you can see in the picture, that AI has developed very rapidly from 1950 to present day. The term artificial intelligence was coined in 1956, but AI has become more popular today thanks to increased data volumes, advanced algorithm, and improvement in computing power and storage. Early AI research in 1950s explored topics like problem solving and symbolic methods. In early 1960s, the US Department of Defense took interest in this type of work and began training computers to mimic basic human reasoning. For example, the Defense Expense Research Projects Agency, or we can call DARPA, complete street mapping project in the 1970s, and DARPA produced intelligent personal assistant in 2003. Long before Siri, Alexa, and Cortana were household names, this early work paved the way for automation and formal reasoning that we see in the computer today, including decision support system and smart research system that can be designed to complement and science fiction novel depict AI as human-like a robot that take over the world. The current evolution of AI technologies isn't that scary or quite that smart. Instead, AI has developed to provide many specific benefits in every industry. Keep reading for the modern example of artificial intelligence in healthcare, retail, and more. Next, third part, talk about how artificial intelligence is used. As I said or I mentioned earlier, artificial intelligence can help human work such as providing online store recommendation or reminders such as health apps. So what does that mean? So AI can be used in various sectors such as health, banking, education, and others. So here's how artificial intelligence is used. First, healthcare. So AI application can provide personalized medicine and X-ray reading. Personal healthcare assistant can act alive as a coach, reminding you to take your pills, exercise, or eat healthier. Second, retail. So AI provides virtual shopping capabilities that offer personalized recommendation and discuss purchase option with the consumer. Stock management and site layout technologies will also improve with AI. And the third, manufacturing. So AI can analyze factory IoT data as it streams from connected equipment to forecast expected load and demand using recurrent network specific type and deep learning network, so in use with a sequence data. And the fourth, banking. So artificial intelligence or AI enhance the speed, precision, and effectiveness of human effort in financial institution. AI techniques can be used to identify which transactions are likely to be fraudulent, adopt fast and accurate credit scoring, as well as automate manually intense and data management tasks. Well, this brings me to the end of my presentation. In conclusion, I want to summarize again that artificial intelligence is needed in this modern era, where it can be a function like human, but work faster and can help human work at this time. So, thank you for your attention. If there are something bad in my words or sentences that are not pleasing to you, I'll be happy to answer any question you may have. Thank you.